Hello everyone, this is Mr. Molo for the 6.4 puzzle time. So the joke for this one is what looks like half a lemon. So if we look at these first two sets of problems, they're pretty similar. So we're going to evaluate the function. For the first four, it says when t equals 4. And then for the next four, it says when t equals 7. But pretty much the same thing. So we'll look at a couple of these. I'll pull up a graphing calculator to show you how to put them in. But this is pretty similar to what we did in the note. So if I look at like number 1, it says 275. And then has the parentheses 1 plus 0.85, and then it says raised to the t power, but remember it said in the directions use 4, so we should get 3,221, and there it is, so letter A for that first one. And if we look at number 2, we get 9 times 1 plus 0.03, again raised to the 4th power. And we get 10.12, so it looks like, should we round up? Yep, 10.129, so we're going to round up to letter E there. Okay, 5, same thing, so t equals 7 now, so we have 725, and then 1 minus 0.1, and this time raised to the 7th power, so it goes to 346.77, which is letter H. And then number 6, we got 360.45 raised to the 7th power again. And we got 1.34, or 1.35 because they rounded up. Okay. And then for 9, 10, 11, 12, they just want us to figure out which one it would be. So pay attention to the words decreases, increases, increase. And then this is a compound interest problem, so it's going to be increased. So $33,000 vehicle decreases by 27% each year. So we're looking for the 33,000 and then a minus because it decreases by 27%. So letter O there. Okay, if we look at the next one, an hourly wage of $9.56 increases by 3%. So remember, if it's at 100% or 1.00, that means it's staying the same. If it's more than, that's an increase. And if it's less, it's a decrease. So if it's an increase by 3%, that means we need to add that 3% there. And adding 3% looks like that, letter H. Okay, the amount of fruit flies increases by 12.5% each day. So again, we're looking for an increase of 0.125 because that is 12.5%, so letter F. Okay, and this one might be a little tricky. Some of you are wondering maybe where that 2 goes. So $4,000 deposit that earns 2% annual interest compounded semi-annually. So if we're looking at this, the way we would write this out is that $4,000 and then 1 plus the 2%. So some people are wondering why there's a 0.01 in there. But remember, it's compounded semi-annually. So that means twice a year. So I'm going to divide that by 2. And then that's why there's a 2t on the outside. So if you remember the formula, it has the number of times you're going to compound interest. And so semi-annually means twice a year. So that's why it does that. And then if you simplify 0.02 divided by 2, you get 0.01. So then 1 plus 0.01 looks like that. So in the answer to the joke of what looks like half a lemon, the answer is the other half.